Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to fix the app crash issue on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. From here, just scroll down and tap on apps. Now from here, just tap on see all apps. Now just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the screen and tap on show system apps. Now once you have done that, in the search bar, just search Android System Web View. Now from here, just tap on Android System Web View. Now from here, just tap on Storage and Cache. Now from here, just clear the cache of the Android System Web View and tap on Clear Storage. Now just tap on Delete. Now from here, just go back and tap on Force Stop. Now from here, just tap on OK. Now once you do that, just go back and from here, just search System Home Screen. Now from here, just tap on Storage and tap on Clear Cache. Now from here, just tap on Clear Storage and tap on Delete. Now once you do that, just go back Now from here, just scroll down and tap on System Update. Now from here, just check if there are any software updates available. If there are any software updates available, just update the software of your smartphone. Now once you do that, just go to your home screen and reboot your smartphone. Now to do that, just press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now from here, as you can see, the power menu has appeared on the screen. Now from here, just select Restart. Now it will take a few seconds to restart your smartphone and to fix the app crash issue. Now as you can see, our smartphone has finished rebooting. Now as you can see, this is how you can fix the app crash issue on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.